Guess what's here? My pipes arrived from Italy. Let's get them open. Let's get into it. Looking forward to it. How's it going, everybody? It's Monday. I'm off work. And look what just arrived. My Cobra power gel pipes arrived from Italy. So let's get them open and have a look inside, huh? Without further ado, oh dear, they're kind of just in here. So yeah, they're literally just individually wrapped, they're not boxed. Oh well. I thought they might have been snazzied up, you know, and put in the box. So there's your 12mm. That's your 18mm for the wide bands. Woo! That pipe kind of just fell out of that. So there's a lot of paper. Where's the paper? Small tree in here. So that must be the crossover section there. Goes underneath. I'll just let it all down here for a minute. Another heat shield. More paper. So this is from a company called BurnOut Specials in Italy. There we go. There's the other. It's the front. More paper. Clamps, brackets, and Jubilee clips. More away. Just making sure there's nothing. It shouldn't be in here. Oh. Let's pack all this up in the box, and then I'll get that in the van. Out of the way. Let's get all this rubbish. Yeah, so front and heat shield, rear and heat shield, cover, clamps, and then the crossover. It says Cobra on the box. Does Cobra have a stamp anywhere, like a confirm that they're actually Cobras? Do they have anything on the stamp on the heat shield or anything saying like these are Cobra pipes? There's no markings on them. So the Cobra actually mark their stuff. You would think they would, wouldn't you? They would have their mark, like Vance and Hines did on their slip-ons and stuff. Well, so anyway, yeah. So there is there. I don't know if you can see that or not. BurnOut. BurnOut special motorcycle clothing and specials in Italy. So these pipes were £800 in the UK. I went online. This company had a discount going on, and they went down. They were like 7 something, and with their discount, there was a discount, and then there was another discount code on their website, and they used that, and it brought them down to £650. Whenever I contacted the company, they said that by the time they ordered them from the supplier, they guarantee like a 20-day delivery period. So by the time they get them to the supplier, they're not going to be able to match that. If I wanted to continue with the order, they give me another £25 off. So shipped them a door, and I ordered them on, well, this says the data date, the 14th of April. Didn't order them on the 14th of April. I ordered them. I would need to look at the original email. I think I ordered them around about February. In fact, I'll tell you this now. I'll look at me, check my emails. Okay. So I ordered them on the 6th of March. So from the 6th of March to the 20th of April, that's how long it took for them to come from Italy. Now, in saying that, they had to order them, I guess, from the States. They ordered them from the States, got them from the States, and then from Italy to me. So $625 all in. To the door, and I had to wait 6 weeks for it. Well, you might as well say three, about 6 weeks, and I just over. And that's when it literally just arrived this morning. But I got the head pipes and the crossover and the heat shields with it, the clamps and everything else. I did buy a gasket set. It's over there. Bought that from Hog Parts in England because they were cheaper than ARH Customs in England. Quite a few pounds cheaper. But anyway, I'm not going to be putting these on. I'm going to order the Dynajet auto tuner to go with the Power Vision with the wideband sensors. Once I get the wideband sensors, I get that and install everything. I'll put the wideband sensors onto these and then put this on. So this is going to be a project whenever I get the auto tuner. I'm just going to keep these in here. But I'm definitely looking forward to getting them on. That'll be a project in itself. But anyways, the pipes did arrive. I wasn't stroked. The pipes arrived. Everything's good. And we're good to go. We're good to go. So, 6 weeks. Pipes are here. I wasn't stroked. BurnOut specials, Italy. The guarantee 20-day delivery. They weren't that far out on it. But they had to order them from the States. States were behind on them. So they got to Italy. And then obviously from Italy to me. For me to buy them in the UK, it was going to cost me 800 quid. They had a discount code, and then a further discount code on their website. Shipped, brought them down to 650. And then when they emailed me about not being able to get them here within the 20 days, they gave me another £25 off. So I got them for £625 delivered to the door. That was customs duties, everything included, straight to the door. You can't beat it. Had to wait 6 weeks, but I'm in no rush to put them on. 6 weeks is nothing. So that's the Cobra Power Jewels, header pipes and crossover. Absolutely fantastic, absolutely brilliant. I've got a tractor I can pass here. Yeah, so you get, obviously it comes with a 12mm sensor holes, or the 20mm sensor holes for the wideband. I'm going to be putting the wideband in them. So just wait till this tractor passes. Yeah, so I'm going to be ordering the Dynajet auto tuner to go with the Power Vision. Once I get that, I can put the wideband sensors in, and then I'll install these. As I say, I'm in no rush. I'm not going to be doing that just yet. But so I can honestly say now that BurnOut Specials in Italy is a trustworthy company, and they're up front, they're honest with you, saying, "Oh, I can't get them," and blah blah blah, and the discounts, that sort of stuff. So I don't know if Cobra actually marked their pipes, but there's no markings in any of the heat shields or anything, and I think the only thing it says Cobra on them is the box. But everything looks legit on them. The welding and all's good on them. So I'd say they are legit, and the invoice says Cobra head pipes, the PPD. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting these on once I get the auto tuner, get everything done. But my pipes are here. I'm happy, and I'll be looking forward to getting them installed. What I'll do is I'll lay them out and just let you have a better look at them. So I don't know if Cobra mark their heat shields or anything. You'd think they would. You know, so that's the rear heat shield and pipe. Down there is the front pipe and heat shield, and then you have your crossover, and then you have all your bits and bobs, Cobra hardware kit. That's the pipes. they're here. I'm glad. As I say, I won't be installing them yet. I'm going to wait till I get the auto tuner, get the white band sensors, hook everything up, change their header pipes. Now, it's not going to be a how-to video on how to do your header pipes. There's hundreds of people out there doing videos on those that are 100 times better than me. I'll maybe show snippets of me taking these off and putting the new ones on, but it's nowhere near going to be a how to do this. It's just going to be me changing my header pipes. Once I get that done, I'll be happy enough. I just have to order the auto tuner now. But listen, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching my videos. Check out my other videos. I'll put a link down below for BurnOut specials in Italy if you live over my neck of the woods, or in Europe. A lot cheaper to buy from than they are. I actually contacted Hog Parts and ARH Customs on a price match, and they got back to me and said that the only price match in companies in the UK, well, I saved myself £175 ordering it from Italy, delivered to my door. And not only do they £800 from the UK, they charge a postage on top of that, so it's a wee bit over 800 quid, 625 straight here from Italy. You can't beat it. They also have other deals on their website, do all kinds of motorcycle parts. So if you live in the UK, you live in Europe, I would jump on their website and give them a check. As I say, I'll put the link down below. Jump on their website and have a nosy on their website. I'm not affiliated to these people. I bought these pipes with my own money. Like everything I do, I buy with my own money. You know, I've no sponsors. I've no nothing. You know, not interested in it either. You know, in fact, I would probably flag the emails up as spam if they came through. But everything's bought with my own money. Everything's work's done by myself. I don't believe in giving my bike to a mechanic to do work on it. If something goes wrong with it, I done it. I know how it works. You know, you get a better insight of what could be wrong with your bike and you do it. Nor a tractor. You know. But anyway, listen, again, thanks for tuning in. It's really appreciated. Like and subscribe. And thanks very much. Much appreciated.